Today, all 4 schools who are doing the opera, the bagmen, the villagers, the soldiers and the masons, today we're all seeing each other and going through Act 1 of A King's Ransom.
I like singing, and opera's got a lot of singing, and I love singing. You're very busy masons, we master masons, we've been searching in the forest for a giant great oak tree. The composing workshop was, I think, my favourite because we got to tell the 2 musicians what to play, and then we got to act.
Do you have a favourite bit of the music that you've not heard before?
I kind of like the soldiers. They were really good, and it was kind of catchy, the music they were singing.
I like the villagers, like music, and it's really sad, and I feel really sad at what I'm doing.
Yeah, you're quite mean, aren't you, Millie?
I can't wait to do the staging again, and I can't wait to see where we're going to perform it.
I think people should come and see A King's Ransom because it's a great opportunity and it will be a really good show.
I think they should come to the show because it's kind of like an opportunity for children. Like all the children that have like different social backgrounds, some things have been hard for them, but for some children to get this opportunity, it's going to be a really big thing for them, and for people to see them, it could also inspire lots of other children to do something like this.
Opera is great, and it's the best thing at school. Well, before this, I thought opera was just singing really loud, and I was like, it's really boring. But once I got to know more and more about it, I actually really enjoyed it, and I became more interested. I'm into opera. Into opera.